Want faster muscle growth? These protein sources matter most. Eggs provide high-quality protein for muscle repair. Chicken breast is lean and perfect for muscle building. Fish supports muscle growth and recovery. Greek yogurt adds protein and supports digestion. Lentils and beans are powerful plant protein sources. Protein shakes help meet daily protein needs. Add these protein sources daily and support muscle growth. Some foods you eat every day quietly harm your health. Refined sugar spikes your energy, then crashes it. Packaged snacks overload your body with additives. White bread lacks fiber and leaves you hungry again. Fried foods slow digestion and drain energy. Sugary drinks stress your body more than you think. Highly processed meals reduce nutritional value. Limit these foods and protect your health. Think your daily habits are harmless? Think again. Staying seated for too long harms your circulation. Skipping meals or eating too late slows down metabolism. Not drinking enough water makes your skin dull and tired. Too much sugar leads to energy crashes and mood swings. Negative thoughts throughout the day drain your energy. Poor sleep messes with your body's ability to recover. Break these bad habits today and feel healthier tomorrow. Some daily habits damage your health more than you realize. Checking your phone right after waking up drains your focus. Skipping breakfast makes your energy crash early. Sitting for long hours weakens your body. Too much sugar in your day silently harms your health. Not drinking enough water makes your body tired faster. Sleeping late every night destroys your natural energy cycle. Fix these small habits, and your health will improve fast. Like, comment, and subscribe.